Hi everybody, I am so excited to be here today to share with you the 3 new Graphic 45 paper collections that have just come out. These are the next collections that I'm going to be using to make some projects, so I'm going to flip through some of the papers so you can see them and kind of talk about what projects that I will be making coming up, and there will be links in the description box below if you wanted to pre-order any of the kits that I'll be making. So the first collection that I have here is the Fairie Boutique collection. And I'm going to start with this because it's something new. Graphic 45 has taken their 12 by 12 patterns and solids and they've made them now 8.5 by 11. So because these are 8.5 by 11, the paper pack here, as well as the 8 by 8, they now also contain patterns and solids. So these are 12 by 12 patterns and solids, and these are 8 by 8 patterns and solids. So with the new collection here, I'm just going to flip through these papers. They're so pretty, and I love the fairy collections that Graphic 45 releases. Fairy Wings is one of my absolute favorite collections, so I think all of them are so pretty. And so these are just nice, simple patterns, can be very helpful for adding just a little bit of plainness, I guess. Even though they're not really plain on this side, they're definitely plain on the back side. But I like to use these for photo spots in my mini albums. And I like that they perfectly coordinate with the collection. Now, because these are the same exact papers, I'm just going to flip through one of them, and I'll flip through the 8 by 8 because I think it fits a little bit better on camera. So here is the cover sheet, and then the back side. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. I love purple, so this is definitely going to make a really cute album. So I haven't decided yet if I'm going to make a kit for this album or just make a tutorial for a mini album for this album. So I would love to hear, oh my goodness, look how pretty this paper is. That's so cute. I would love to hear what you think in the description box below if you want to see this as a mini album kit as well as a mini album tutorial. So obviously the kits are a little bit smaller of an album. They're all pre-cut. They'll come with a cover, a chipboard cover that I will laser cut as well, and instructions for assembling. Now, if I just do the tutorial, it'll just be a PDF tutorial. The album is a little bit larger. It will include the 12 by 12, the 8 by 8 patterns and solids, and the other things that we'll go through here in just a minute. But I would love to hear your feedback. So if you would like to see an album kit with this collection, let me know in the description box below or in the comments. So here is the sticker set. I don't always get the stickers because I find it's harder for me to use. I end up backing them onto cardstock and then cutting around them. So sometimes I don't get it. And then also because a lot of times the pieces are very similar to what is in here, I will just get the ephemera pieces instead. But I did get the stickers for this collection as well as the ephemera. So the album, if I just do the album tutorial, which I will definitely be doing, I will be using all of this. If I do the mini album kit, if you're interested in those, then I will be using different products. So that would come later. So again, let me know in the comment section if you would like to see a kit for this collection. This collection I am super excited about. It is so pretty. I just can't get over the brightness of these colors, and I love anything beachy or ocean themed. So this one is definitely one that I cannot wait to start working with. This one I am definitely going to be making a mini album kit. I will link that in the description box below. So if you want to order the kit, pre-order the kit. I have not started designing the album yet, so I have no idea what it's going to look like, but if you want to pre-order it sight unseen, I will leave that in the description box below. It will be $5 cheaper if you pre-order it before I make it than if you purchase it after it's made. These papers are so vibrant. There's so much color in them. So a lot of opportunities here. I have lots of different colors for chipboard that I could use as well. I love these border sheets. I think they're one of my favorite papers just because there's so many options, but they're always so pretty. Oh my gosh, this one is too. They just get prettier and prettier. Oh, that's really neat. I love, love, love this collection. I cannot wait to start. I think this is one I'm going to start with just because it's so colorful and so pretty. So for this one, I am going to do a mini album kit. I'm going to do a mini album tutorial as well. So I will have two different options available for this one. Obviously the tutorial itself will not be a pre-order, but the kit I will link as a pre-order down below. So like I mentioned, if you do want to pre-order this kit without seeing the album first, it will be $5 cheaper than once the album is done. Now here are the patterns and solids for this one. Just gonna flip through quickly. Some great designs here. Again, very colorful collection. And then the 12 by 12 is the same as the 8 by 8, so I'm not going to flip through that. I'm not going to take all these pieces out either. Hopefully you can see the different pieces in here. But I do have the ephemera assortment again, and then I have the sticker collection. They do have chipboard tags and frames. I didn't get any for these collections just because I found that the pieces are a little bit bigger most of the times than what I want to add. So I will be adding my own chipboard pieces. So I have starfish and I have the sea turtles and I have some different things. So I'm going to incorporate those into my tutorial and into my mini album kit. So this, like I said, is going to be the first collection I'm going to start with. I will probably start with the mini album kit for this one. So let me know what you think about the Graphic 45. This is called Seize the Day. I would love to hear your thoughts on this collection. Then the last collection that I have, so I have two options with this one. I have the one with the metal die set because I am going to be using this to make a mini album kit. So by the way, this is the Flutter keepsake edition. So it comes with the dies or it'll come without the dies. So since I cut all of the kits, I don't need to buy the die for every single one. So when I do the kits, I just do the regular keepsake edition without the metal dies. But this collection here has everything included in it. So these are the dies if you wanted to see what those are, and this will be great for card making. I'm not sure if I will use that much for a mini album though, so we'll see. We've got the ephemera here that's got lots of pieces to use for the collection. It'll come with a card kit or a card instruction sample. Here are the stickers that come with this collection. So instead of it being two 6 by 12 sheets, it's just one 12 by 12 sheet. And then the Flutter paper. So this is a re-release of a collection that was from 2018. And I am going to be making my album kit with this collection and using my butterfly chipboard cover that I designed a while back. I made a different album with it that had butterflies in it, and as soon as I saw this collection, I thought, well, that would be perfect to use that cover again. And I'm going to make it in a different color. I will still continue to offer the white one, but I believe I am going to make it in black, and I may also potentially offer it in a different color. I'm not sure though, because if I do blue, There's a lot of different colors in the collection. I could do green, I could do yellow, but I will definitely, I will definitely make it in black. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do is, oh, these are the patterns and solids, by the way. I'm going to make the cover black, and then I'll use black cardstock for my pages. So this will be a mini album kit, and then once the kit is done, I will also offer the tutorial only that is a cutting guide with page maps that show you exactly how to cut each piece of paper, and then the assembly instructions. So this will not have a tutorial like I normally do. It'll be a little bit less intensive because the cutting guide is so specific for the album. If you would like to purchase the mini album kit for Flutter before I do even make it sight unseen, then I will link that in the description box below. And just like the previous one that I mentioned, it will be $5 off before the kit is complete. So just a discount as like a thank you for ordering before you actually see the album. Let me know your thoughts on the Graphic 45 Flutter Keepsake Edition. I would love to know what you think about this one as well. And if you are just looking for other inspiration, I would love to hear other ideas that you have with any of these collections and what you would like to do with them. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.